Why so many Indian students going abroad when we have 1200 universities in India? We are a land of Takshira, right? We are a land of Nalanda, right? 1200 यूनिवर्सिटीज है इंडिया में, फिर भी 1 मिलियन स्टूडेंट बाहर जा रहा है। ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है और ये सही है गलत है एज पर यू?
नहीं, पहली बात तो ये इसलिए हो रहा है कि हमारे पास 1200 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, पर जो हाई क्वालिटी इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं दे आर वेरी फ्यू। सो अगर आप वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग की बात करें, टॉप 100 में 0, 200 में 3, 500 में 9 और 1000 में 23, मतलब लास्ट ईयर का डेटा मैं बता रही हूँ। तो 23 institutions which are in top 1000 of the world ranking. Then admission to those institutions is so difficult. You take admission in IITs, IIMs, IISers, NIT. It is so difficult to get admission because India is a large country. We have a student population of 4.2 crores, 42
Yeah, 40
million.
million too, yeah.
And out of 42 million, how many seats these institutions have? Not even 1 lakh. So where do the students go if they want quality education, and especially if they have money? They prefer foreign institutions rather than studying in a tier 2 and tier 3 university in India. And if they do not have money, they feel that if they take education loan, go to these universities, they will have higher employability, then they will have post study visa over there, and they will be able to get back the loan which they took through these jobs, and they will repay, and then they also have a possibility of staying in that country.
Yeah.
So that is why many students are going.
तो ये तो आपने अच्छी बात बता दी, you know, and again I'm in a business wherein I should not be saying it, you know, but there are people who are talking probability, you know, there are people who talk about हमारा वीज़ा नहीं लगा, मैं डिपोर्ट कर दिया, हमने 50 लाख का लोन लिया था, हमने 50,000 खर्च करे, एंड अभी आई डोंट नो वेदर आई विल गेट अ ग्रीन कार्ड। तो दूर की बात है, OPT भी है कि नहीं है मेरे पास, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्कीम आज है कल नहीं पता नहीं है, यू नो, दीज आर रियल थिंग्स, राइट? In with that scenario, do you think it still makes sense for people to go abroad and study in best universities?
So these are the students who are duped by, say, bad universities. I should know, even not so good, bad universities. So if a student is taking admission in good university, all these issues will not happen. But I have seen cases where, say, so-called agents, so they are luring the students to these foreign universities, bad universities which are not quality institutions. Students don't have money, they give them some loan on interest, or they tell them to sell their land, and you selling their land, they reach there, and many of them, they don't even pass their degree courses. So they go there, they become illegal migrants. So that is a different side of the story.
इसीलिए ना हमने भी मैं प्लगिंग कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, we launch a product called University Living Extended Stay, you know, and it's like a insurance product that you pay a premium of 400-500 pounds. If you don't get a job, we'll cover 6 months of your journey, because आपको 3 से 6 महीने लग जाते हैं जॉब ढूंढने में वहाँ पे, राइट? एंड वो भी जब लगता है कि इंडियन स्टूडेंट और इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट बहुत लेट स्टार्ट करते हैं। आई से द मोमेंट यू लैंड, just look for options, you know. But because you know, people are not getting jobs, or they are taking time, you know, but at least students get a fair time to look for a job so that they can recover all these expenses and all. तो एंड उसमें हमने एक वो बनाया that you should be having 70% of attendance or numbers. Otherwise आप कहीं पे भी पढ़ो, IT में पढ़ लो, आपका IT डिग्री हो सकती है, और आपके स्किल्स नहीं होगी, कोई जॉब नहीं देगा।